Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to make a movie poster in Photoshop. First, go to File and select New. Set the document type to Photo or choose Portrait. Now import the main photo to the document. Increase and align. Then, click the check mark. Right-click on the imported photo layer and select Rasterize Layer. Add a brightness and contrast layer. Modify this to your liking and change blending mode to lighten. Next, add a hue or saturation layer. Set the saturation to 13. Add a person to this photo by dropping the photo into the canvas. Click the check mark. Go to Select, tap on Subject, and add a mask layer. Then, go to Edit and select Free Transform. Increase the photo sign and then align. Then, click the check mark once done. Select the brush tool and set it to 1000 and 0. Make sure that the mask layer is selected and brush black to erase, brush white to bring back. Next, drop another photo and do the same thing here. Now, select the top layer. Add a photo or filter layer, then select the color box and in the number box, type in 00CCFF. Click OK and set the density to 40%. Now select the text tool and set the font to whatever you want it to be. Remember, you can also search it on Google and download a unique font. Then, the rest of this is modifiable. You can do your texts and style however you see fit. And that's it. You have now successfully made a movie poster using Photoshop. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!